I'm Josh from Supermatic, and I'm going to show you how to do the cleaning procedures on the Coffee Factory espresso machine. This model may be different than yours. You may only have 2 hoppers and you may not have the steam wand. The main components are the milk tube system, which comes here out into your spout, your waste container for your waste coffee, and your drip tray. I'm going to go through the whole procedure with you. Try to do this every day at the same time during a relatively low demand period. Before you start, make sure you have all of your cleaning supplies ready and handy. And let's go into the cleaning. Prepare the milk cleaning solution in 1 measuring cup and fresh water in the other for rinsing. Looking at the display screen on the lower right corner, touch the screen. Menu will appear. Touch menu. Then touch the key icon on the middle of the screen. Enter in your PIN, which is 1000. Hit OK. Now you want to hit the cleaning button in the lower left side of the screen. You then want to select Cleaning Program. You then want to select No Switching Off. It'll then ask you if you want to start now. Hit Start. We've already prepared our cleaning solution, so we're going to hit Yes for is the cleaning solution okay. The machine now asks you if the prepared water for rinsing is ready. What we're going to do now is move the tube over to the fresh water for rinsing. Then hit Yes. The machine will then ask you to please soak the foamer minimum once per day into the cleaning solution. You can use the leftover cleaning solution from the cleaning period, so hit OK. Ready? Yep. There's a lever behind the spout. Just push it forward and pull down. Then, using the sides, push up with your thumb and it will come apart. Then to remove the tube, use your nail and it comes right apart. Then you want to soak these foamer heads in the leftover cleaning solution you have from your cleaning cycle. And you also want to pull out your tube and soak this as well. Now you're ready to clean the coffee side of the machine, so press Start. It then tells you to empty grounds container and drip tray, so we'll do that now. Our drip tray and grounds container were empty. It then asks you to open the tablet insert and to insert the cleaning tablet. Going to take a tablet. We're going to open the tablet insert. Going to insert the tablet. It then asks you if the cleaning tablet is inserted. You say yes. Grab your container, and you're now cleaning the machine. This is the message you get when you're done your cleaning cycle that says empty drip tray. First, we take away our container and empty that. We then remove the drip tray and we empty our drip tray. Hit the OK button, and you've now successfully cleaned the Coffee Factory espresso machine.